So making money in the stock market is as easy as you want it to be. So the way I personally do it is selling cash secured puts and covered calls. This is like a strict strategy that I've been doing the last few years. And if you've been watching my channel, you would have known that I've hit $200,000 in my public account that I show you guys without adding any extra money into it. All I've been doing, selling cash secured puts, covered calls, multiple contracts, collecting the premium and making the money, that premium, work for me even more. So whatever contracts I have, I collect premium. And if I'm able to buy more contracts, then I'm going to use that money over and over and over again to keep building the portfolio. And just like I said, I haven't been adding any extra money to the account, just strictly cash secured puts, covered calls using their premiums. And some of my coworkers, as you guys know, I'm a nurse and I've been doing this for a little bit. So all the money that I was making from my nursing job would go to my 403b. And if I had anything extra, I did originally put money into this brokerage account till I hit around like $100,000. And then I just stopped funding that. And then I started getting it to 200K on its own. So again, some of my coworkers been asking me, how do I do that? What should I do? And I asked them, what do you have? And luckily for one of my coworkers, she bought Palantir maybe a few years ago when it was like $20, maybe like even like last year or so, even the year before that. We bought 100 shares of Palantir at $20, and that like $2,000 that she bought 100 shares on now is like 20 grand worth, which is amazing. 20 plus grand. And she was asking, how do I make more money off of that? And that's what I wanted to teach you guys here today. So beautiful case study. Obviously, she made a lot of money already, and she wants to learn how to leverage it to make more money. So the most obvious things are, if you wanted to keep this long term, I do believe that this stock is going to go up like a good amount. I believe it's going to be like a $200 stock pretty soon. But also that takes time, and then I feel like you're not being as efficient with your money, with your stocks that you have. And that's where the covered calls and cash secured puts come into play, the wheel strategy. So that's what I'm going to get into here. And I'm going to show you guys how to make a few grand off of the 100 shares that she has. So let's jump right into my desktop and let's talk about Palantir. So Palantir, we could first look at like the trading view here, because this is what I'll be looking at to kind of choose my strike prices. So obviously we've been kind of trading in this channel right here, anywhere from as low as 134 to as high as a 139.94. Pretty much touched 140 for a hot second over here. So that kind of gives us a range where we will sell our covered call, because remember, she has 100 shares. So I personally, if I have 100 shares and it's a stock that I want to hold long term, I will go out anywhere from like 27 to 34 days to do this covered call. So what you're going to have to do is sell, call. And next we're going to choose a strike price where we're willing to sell our shares if it goes past it on, let's do 27 days out. If the stock price is above the strike price that we choose by 4 p.m. on that Friday, so July 11th, we'll have to sell these shares. So obviously anything above $20 in her case is profit. And so she's in a good spot already. So I personally, just from looking at what we were here, anything above that 140 mark is probably a good sign, because it seems like that's the resistance point here. Keeps bouncing off of it. And we could do it from that end. Or we could just go to the normal and go to a delta of like 20 to 30. So what we could do here is look for that delta of 20 to 30. So we could keep going up. 150 could be a 31 delta if you want to be pretty safe. But if you want to be even more safe, I'm guessing 157 was going to be the 20%. 21% was correct. 157. So if we wanted to do the super safe side, and safe as in most likely your shares will not get, you won't have to sell your shares on July 11th. And that would be at $157.50. So if you did this, you had 100 shares, you're going to put those 100 shares up for collateral, and then you're going to get paid $2.24 per share. So you times that by 100, you're going to get paid $224 per share in a 27 day period, which is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So just for calculator purposes here, let's bring that up. 224 times 12. If you're able to do this for a whole month, right? For a whole year, you're gonna get $2,688 for collateralizing your 100 shares of Palantir. That's not bad. That is a pretty good amount of money just for putting up something for collateral that you already have, right? So that is a very safe play for her to do, getting $224. Me personally, I'd probably go for the 150 because I still think that's very safe, like a 31% delta. And delta, again, for those that don't know, is a percentage chance that the current stock price goes to this strike price and goes past it. You'll get $380, which is for this contract for 27 days. And that is a beautiful thing as well, because you just made a lot more money than the previous. So 380. And then say if you're able to get this similar premium for 12 months, you're getting $4,560 for every for the year. So that's also a very safe play that I would most likely do if I were in her position. But again, me personally, I'm someone that likes to keep the money rolling and rolling and rolling and continue to make as much premium as possible. I would probably go for like a 145, which is like a 40% delta, or 45% delta. Let's look for that. Or 142, even though we are very kind of close to the current stock price, 137, 142. The 142 is like a 45% delta, 45% chance, and that means I would collect $640. And the reason why I would go this close for like a 45 is because the cost basis is only $20. Like, that's, for her situation, it's an amazing situation, is where anything above $20 is a profit for her. So now it's just having the mindset of being okay with getting rid of the shares and start collecting more and more premium. So again, she has 100 shares. Anything over $20 is profit. So I would probably choose, for me, if I was in a position, do 142, and I would collect $640 for this contract. And just if we are able to collect that $640 every month, and you're going to times that by 12, you're going to make $7,680 for the year. And a lot of people will be saying, like, isn't that a little risky? I don't believe so, because say it does go past 142 on July 11th, right? Fine. We sell our 100 shares, and now we have $14,200 in cash plus the 640. So let's do that again. 14,200 plus 640. So now you have $14,840 in cash. And then you would go on the cash secured put side. So you get 14,800 you could use, and you don't even need to use all that money. Like, say this is the similar prices as it was here, and then you could just use any of this. Like, say if the stock price went back down to 137, like immediately after, just so we could do this as similar as possible. I'd probably play it pretty close. Maybe another like 45% delta, a 41 or 45% delta. Oh, you could even go like 137 here. There's a potential you could get $780 for a contract that big and only putting up $13,700. And just for a percentage on money, 13,700. Well, I'm doing that backwards. 780 divided by 13,700. You're making 5.6% a month on your money if you want to play that close to the money. And this is, again, a super simple strategy that I've been using and constantly been making a lot of money on, profits on, because It is that easy. Once you get your mindset of using your stocks more efficiently if you have 100 shares, or your money more efficiently if you have 100 shares worth of cash, you can make a significant amount. And that's what I'm going to get into in one of the next videos. So if you want to learn more about cash secured puts, covered calls, check out all the videos that I got. I go over it so often that it's one of the best things that you could possibly do with your money in the stock market while playing options without having to be on that gambling type side when you're buying options. Remember, my side is only selling. And if you want to learn more, I got some resources in my Stand store. I do have a course. You do not need to take it, but it does give you some hand holding, a lot of case studies. And if you did do it, if you did buy that course, you'd be able to message me directly and I will do a one-on-one call with you as well, just to make sure you understood everything throughout the course. And then we could figure out more stuff from there. So if you like this type of content where I'm just educating you on how to do certain things, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just make some money together. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.